Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you haven't discovered the new world of shaving from OmniShave, you are in for an amazing surprise. I've been using this razor to primarily shave my legs, and I am so impressed with how fast it is. So this has a dual-headed shaver on it. Not only does it give you a really close and clean shave, but it actually cleans and strops the blades from the process of going up and down. You definitely don't want to go sideways with this razor. You can possibly cut yourself, and you're going to want to make sure that your skin is super slick. And that's where their shave butter comes into play. So this is made with tea tree oil, shea butter, and aloe vera. It gives your skin just the right amount of slickness so that you get that clean, comfortable shave, but it also hydrates and moisturizes your skin. I have had no razor burn since I started using OmniShaver. I was curious because my hair growth, like on my calf area, grows diagonally, so I wasn't sure if just going up and down it would give me a good shave. And I was really impressed with what a great close shave it gave me, even though I had that different direction of hair growth. Step into the new world of shaving and get yourself a premium kit from OmniShaver like I did. I think you're going to love the results, but that's just my point of view.